Today's exercise are the following. Get ready. Let's begin round 1 with 10 jumping jacks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's continue with 10 squats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure to contract your butt as you go up. 9 and 10. Very good. Now, let's do the forward lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's time to get on the floor. Now prepare yourself to do 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You are doing a great job, rookie. Keep it up, because we're halfway to round 1. Next exercise, 10 ab crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure to contract your ab muscles. 9 and 10. Straighten your legs and we'll do the bicycle crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next exercise is Russian twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And for the last exercise, we will perform the 30-second elbow plank. Get your timers ready, and we will begin. "20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, rookie. We have completed round 1. You may rest for 1 minute. We will now begin round 2. We will start with 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Followed by 10 squats. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can go lower, it is much better. 8, 9, and 10. Next exercise, forward lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's grow your chest. Drop on the floor and let's do some push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, rookies. Let's do again the ab crunches. Lie on your back and position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's time for some bicycle crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2 more exercises to go and we're done with round 2. For now, let's do the Russian twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And lastly, we will do the 30-second elbow plank. Get your timers ready and let's begin. "20 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, rookie. 2 down, 1 more round to go. Alright, rookies, let's begin round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then let's do some squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Our next exercise is forward lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, it's time for some push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Lie on your back and let's do some ab crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Next, bicycle crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last, Russian twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And last but not the least, 30 seconds elbow plank. Get your timers ready and position. Go. "20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, rookies! You have completed this workout.